All right, we're ready for a little bit more of a challenge on the A string, I think. So I'm going to start looking at this page with number 36. It has dreidel. Now, this one's going to be a trickier one than the previous ones for sure. Look, there's 3 lines, but we're going to do this one in chunks, right? Smaller parts to make it a little bit easier to learn and a little bit easier to play. So first things first, let's look at just this chunk right here, okay? So once we get to all these rests, we're going to take a little bit of a break. So when we look at these notes, we've got D, D, E, E, F sharp, D, rest. F, A, G, F, E. So let's just practice those fingers. We're not even going to pluck it right now. We're just going to do the fingers on the instrument and say the letters out loud. That'll be really helpful for your brain to figure out how that works. We're just practicing that left hand, right? Once we start doing the plucking, then it's going to get harder. So let's do the easy stuff first, just doing the left hand. So here we go. Say the letters with me and do the finger numbers. Ready, go. D, D, E, E, F, D, 2 fingers. F, A, G, F, E. There it is. Let's try to pluck it. Let's see how this goes. Ready? Open D. F sharp. Open D. 2 fingers again. Open A. So that's that first chunk. That's going to be a chunk that you're going to want to practice. Make sure you feel pretty good about it before you go on to the next one. Let's do that chunk one more time together, and then we'll keep going. So here it is, that first chunk, once again, open D, ready, go. Rest, 2 fingers. Open A. Down to G, 3 fingers. Yep, that's tricky. Yeah, you're going to want to practice that open A to G. When I'm going from open A to 3 fingers, you see how I take the 3rd finger and 2nd finger and move them down together? I don't go, that's too much work, right? I'm just going to go open and then guide that 3rd finger with the 2nd finger down onto these 2 tapes right here. Okay, that's all you got to do. Let them move together and then they'll be more successful. Let's look at this next chunk. So this next chunk, we're going to start on E. That's 1st finger. Let's play that a little bit right now. So this is E, 1st finger. Ready, go. F sharp, then G. Stop right there. Let's do that chunk one more time. Ready? Starting on E, 1st finger, F sharp, then G, down to 1. Now looking at this next one, we're going to go 1 and then open A. So we need to move those fingers and then go back down to G. So make sure we plop that 3rd finger down. Let's try that together starting on E. We're right here. 1st finger ready, go. Open A. Down to 3 fingers, 2, then 1, then 2. Yeah, let's try that one more time. So again, we're right there on that E. That's going to be the 1st finger. Then it goes to open and then down to 3. Here we go. Try that 1st finger. Open A. That's what we're looking for. Let's jump all the way back here on this E over here. So we're going to start 1st finger and then go up to 2. Ready, go. Then G. Rest. If that was really hard for you, pause the video, go back and practice that a little bit, and then try it again with the video. If you did really, really good, we're going to keep going, okay? So only keep on going if you're ready. If you're not ready, that's okay. Pause the video and go back. If you're doing all right, we're going to keep on going. So we're going to go back and forth here. A, F sharp, A, F sharp, A, F sharp. Now you might notice this bracket underneath the notes. that's telling us that we can just leave our fingers down. If I have my second finger down, you'll notice that there's a little tunnel that I'm making. We call these tunnel fingers, right? So I can play open A and then F sharp, A, F sharp. I'm not moving my second finger at all. You notice that? Now, the way I do that is I need to make sure that my second finger, that's going to be right on the tip. If my second finger is too flat, it's going to collapse over the A string. And I'm not going to make the right sound. So when you have that second finger, make sure that you bring those fingers up and over so that you can clear the A string. When you do that correctly, it's going to sound like this. Right? So clear that A string so you can get that sound. Let's practice that if you're ready for it. Here's that A and F sharp. Ready? Go. Rest. Up to A. Find that G third finger. There it is. Similar idea. Now we're going to go G and E, 3 and 1. And rest. Yeah, if you're paying attention, you recognize that that ending, that is just like what we did over here with a slightly different ending. So that's pretty darn good that we can do that over and over again. All right, practice this one. Make sure you feel really, really comfortable with it, and then come back, and then we're going to play through the whole thing together. Okay? If you're feeling ready for this, we're going to play the whole thing with the recording. So let's check this out. Ready?
36. Cradle.
1, 2, it goes fast. 2 fingers. Rest, first finger, go. And rest. Here's that open tunnel, fingers open A. Rest. Three and 1, ready, go. Rest. All right, if you did a good job on that, nicely done. I'll see you for the next video. If that was a little bit harder, don't be afraid to keep giving that one a little bit more time and attention. Practice that one up so that you feel a lot more comfortable with it, and then we'll see you again for the next video. All right, nice job today.